Hi children, welcome back to online learning platform of SPPS ILKAL. Dear students, we have been discussing the lesson Sheikh Chilli. Let us continue the remaining part. So today in this session we are going to learn about reading second paragraph, explanation and new words. So without further delay, shall we start reading today's paragraphs? Here it is. I will read this and listen carefully. There is another incident that goes like this. One day, Sheikh Chilli went to bathe in the river. He put all his clothes in a neat pile on the bank and gingerly put his legs in the water. Immediately, he felt that his neck was getting wet. Sheikh Chilli was puzzled. How could the water move from my feet to my neck so quickly? I have not even entered the river fully. He pulled his legs out of the water. 5 minutes later, he put his legs back in the water to see if the magic would repeat. Oh, yes! He felt the wetness on his neck again. He was impressed by the swift action of the water on his body. He jumped into the river extremely excited and had a quick bath. That evening, he narrated the entire incident to his friend. His friend smiled and remarked, I saw Tommy the dog licking your neck when you sat there with your legs in the water. Poor Sheikh Chilli, he was so naive. So this is the another incident happened in Sheikh Chilli's life. So here you can see the list of meaning of new words and take screenshot and write it down and also underline these words in your course book. So dear students, in the previous session we discussed about character of Sheikh Chilli. Look at the picture and also his respect and kindness towards the animals, children and his friends. Is it? So today in this session we are going to study another story of Sheikh Chilli. Let us know the meaning of today's paragraph with picture. Look at the picture. One day Sheikh Chilli went to bathe in the river. What was the river name? Panjam. Panjam river was very near to his house. Bathe means to have bath. So every morning he would have bath in the river. He removed his dress and kept beside the river and gingerly means very carefully, he put his legs in the water. As soon as suddenly he felt the wetness on his neck. He was confused that how is it possible? How could the water move from my feet to my neck so quickly? Still, he didn't enter in the river fully, but he was getting wet on his neck. He didn't see back. He removed his legs out. 5 minutes later, he had put his legs in the water to see that it would happen again. Oh, yes, he felt wetness again on his neck. He was excited and impressed by the quick action of the water on his body, and he jumped into the river with excitement. It is something magic. He thought it is something magic. With excitement, he jumped into the river. Look at the picture. And had a quick bath. You can see the picture here. With excitement, he had a quick bath. That evening, he told the entire incident to his friend. But his friend laughed at him and told that Tommy the dog was licking your neck at that same time. You didn't see that time back. You were back. It is not any magic. Nothing magic it was. Shikchil was very poor in thinking and so naive. It means wisdom. So this is the today's paragraph. Dear children, this is second episode which we have read about sexually in this lesson. I hope it is very clear to you all. So your today's homework. Here you can see the your today's homework. Write today's meaning of new words in English notebook one time and read the paragraphs and all meaning of new words two times. Is it clear? Dear children, watch learning videos and write given homework with neat and good handwriting and also mention date and day. If you have any doubts, you can call or text me. So we will back with the next episode about Sheikh Chili in the next session. Till then, goodbye. See you again. Thank you for watching the video.